This is July 23rd, 5:24 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. What we're looking at here is gold on the 4 hour. This is where we are on price right now, around 4070. That is one of our targets as outlined by our trend level EMA. It turns red when we're in sell mode and blue when we're in buy mode. Right now we're just hitting it here. That was one of our early targets. Below that we have another target around 4060, just a little under it. On our pivot point here is our next target. But one of the things we want to look at long term on the 4 hour is this level here. It's currently sitting around the S3 pivot point right here. And we can see here it's an area that we reject off a few times. So the potential of this price dropping from 4070 under 4,000 to around somewhere between 3970 and 3987 is pretty strong. And what we notice back here, we can see we come down, we drop into this zone, lots of wicks, means we can't maintain it. There's our engulfing candle that moves us away from that zone. We come down and retest it. Then we have an engulfing candle and we can take some nice pips up here. You don't want to take that first one. You want to take the second one after the retest. Again, come back down here. We test this again, moves away, comes back. This engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle, that is your entry. And it's a nice big one this time. So it's a nice forceful move away from this level. And off we go. But that's the retest. There's the first. That's the retest. And you need that engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle, then off it goes. Came back down here. We did touch it here. We moved away. We came down. Here's the retest again. There's our bullish engulfing candle. And in this case, Sniper Pro also very conveniently and nicely gives us our entry scorecard here with a +8 and a high volume immediately after the divergence at the bottom. Immediately after we get D for divergence right on this candle here as we come down, retest this area. Immediately after, perfect bullish engulfing candle, plus we get the scorecard and off we go again. That's how you trade these important levels. Touch, move away, retest, bullish engulfing candle, away it goes, comes back, touches, moves away, retest, bullish engulfing candle, off we go again. That's how you trade it.